Wood crusher as an important forestry processing equipment, its transportation and installation need to be strictly regulated to avoid equipment damage, installation errors and safety hazards. First, the transportation precautions preparation for transportation, inspection and fixation, a comprehensive inspection of the equipment to ensure that the components are connected tight, dismantling of knives, screens and other parts of a separate soft package, with high-strength straps to fix the main body of the equipment. Protective measures. Cover the protective cloth against scratching, rain, key parts of the addition of foam board, and other protective devices. Transportation process. Vehicle selection standard. Select the appropriate vehicle according to the specifications of the equipment to ensure that the suspension and braking system is good. Driving requirements. Drive smoothly. Avoid sharp, braking, sharp turn. Choose good road conditions for driving. Long-distance transportation regularly check the fixed and protective conditions. Second, the installation of precautions installation site selection. Site requirements. Choose dry, flat, spacious ground. Reserve space for operation and maintenance, away from obstacles environmental requirements, away from residential areas, to ensure ventilation and heat dissipation, to avoid closed installation. Installation steps. Foundation construction. Pour the concrete foundation, according to the drawing and control the leveling error. Equipment in place. Smooth lifting with lifting equipment. Leveling instrument calibration. Component installation. Install the components according to the instructions. Strictly control the precision and standardize the connection. Electrical installation. Operated by electrician. Make waterproof grounding. Test function. Commissioning operation. Check the vibration, noise, no load test speed. Load test run to observe the production performance. Find problems and timely adjustment.